Guys, in this video you can earn by using Adsterra. I will share you a unique landing page with all drive link. You can sell digital product also. So all thing is not a spam, not a fake thing. If you are a real earner, like if you work every day, you will understand what actually I'm talking about. This landing page code I will share with you, and I will also share with you the drive link. I have 1000 t-shirt mockup drive link where every mockup design is available. I will share this drive link with you with this landing page, and I will share you how you can add interrogate in this website, also where you can sell this digital product and where you can marketing everything, and where you will sell this directly. Everything in this video I am gonna share you, so don't skip this video, otherwise you will miss. I hope so. So see what actually I am today showing. Like this, they are spending dollar to post this type of post, but I'm giving you completely free. And if you make a such landing page, you can send the link to the buyer. Like see, this is a selling post. Everyone here is asking, I want to buy, and the seller is individually messaging to everyone, not a single person. He is just scared. So you too have to do this. You will also message every buyer from here. They want the design. You will just share your link with them. You will get traffic, and you also can sell the design with them. That's this actually the technique, the secret method in this video I'm going to share you. So at first you must have a blogger website. If you don't have one, please make it first. After that, click on new post. Okay, but if you don't have ad setup properly, you must do ad setup. I will share a video of full ad setup, how you can do full ad setup your website. You can see this, but today also I will share the ad setup method in here also, don't worry. Okay, so first you have to copy the landing page code from here. This landing page is enough. You don't need any changes in here. Only your mobile number or WhatsApp number you need to add. So see what actually I'm doing it here. I'm just copy the HTML code, paste it in HTML view mode and paste in here. And after that, you must change the WhatsApp number with your own number. So at the very last section of this, you can see there is a number option. So please paste your number in here. I am just showing you, paste your number in here, and also paste your number in the up section, like send me a DM on WhatsApp. So here also you must put your WhatsApp number in here. That's it. After completing this, you need to do ad setup. So there is two type of ad setup. One is post ad setup, one is theme ad setup. You must know what is theme ad setup. If you miss anything in the theme, like when you make the new website, you will miss so many things. But also you can cover this. If you don't have theme ad setup, you can cover this in the new in the every post, but this will time grabbing. So I will share a video of ad setup in the comment section. You can see this. Now another thing is how to do ad setup in post. So to ad setup in post, you must monetize your website link with Adsterra. So if you don't have any Adsterra account, you can just simply sign up in Adsterra. Also don't worry, it's very simple and easy to use. Here actually I am showing the drive link, that I am not lying to you. The drive link is available here. You can download the file from here. Okay, now you have to do ad setup in the blog. First click on add website button in here. So click on add website button in here and paste the website link in here. Paste the website link in here. So if you are very new person, if you are very new, you have to do this fast. And another thing is, if you already have completed, you can just copy the code from here, like native banner code and banner code, pop undercode, social bar, everything can copy from here. So just copy the pop undercode from here and paste it in the head section in there and paste the code in here and just close it. Also you can copy the social bar code in here and paste it in here and just close it. After that, just copy the native banner code from here, copy this code from here and paste it in the very last section. That's it. Now your first primary ad setup is done. Now you need impression, because without impression Adsterra will think like you are spamming. So you must give so much impression in here so that you can get so many impression. Also it will save. After copy paste so many times your banner code in the post section, give a title of your post and click on publish and click on confirm. And now you can marketing your page anywhere, like everything is ready in here. You can now marketing your page in anywhere. So see, this is the landing page, mockup, 1000 t-shirt mockup, free download. There is showing free download, but okay, don't worry. Now buy now on WhatsApp. So see, this is actually a secret method, like attacking person, and I mean not actually attacking person. Okay, see, now what actually going here is click on login in this side, click on add site and paste your link in here. Okay, and after that click on add this site, and you can see that when you search for click start surfing, you now very easily get traffic by watching others people ad. That's actually the game. When you see others people ad, you will earn credit. Click on B, click on E, but not now, after time complete. See, so many websites have take traffic from here. This is another website they are using actually in here for traffic. So see, they are using actually traffic from here, and you have to do just click on the number or alphabet like this after time complete. Now after getting points from here, you will definitely get traffic from here. Next part is how to sell the design directly to customer. So many sellers do advertise in Facebook, and so many people, as you can see, they are want to buy this type of design. See what I just made, they just want to buy this type of mock-up design. Every seller, they just, every buyer, see, everyone, the seller message. So if the seller messages everyone to the buyer, why not you also do the same things, like send message to everyone. who wants to buy. This is actually the lead of sale. I am actually sharing you the secret method of earning from online with Adsterra with digital product sales with every possible things. And if you join this type of groups from here, see, click on visit, and as you can see, so many people posted in here, but the relevant post I must bring from here is click on search button and click on mockup. That's it. So when you click on search button and mockup, and then you can see the comment section in here and paste your link with advertised line in here. Okay, as you can see that everything is in here, and after that you can see now you can easily see special offer for all graphic designer. I know, so actually this person marketing something, you can post your link also in here. Like if someone see your post, they will message you, and this is one kind of lead work. Like if you have good knowledge in digital marketing, they will come to your website, they see your website, and they will definitely message you to buy the design from you. And as you can see that so many people just selling this type of product, and I'm giving it completely for you just for free, but only my subscriber will get the type link. Okay, now click on the comment section, paste your link in here. See, another person is mockup t-shirt mockup design selling here. This is one kind of method of selling product with Adsterra, ad click and impression. This is done. But what about direct sale? This is message to message sale. It will work 100%. Okay, so many people just message in here, so link, you can just send the link to them. But the main thing is Gumroad. Always use Gumroad to sell your digital product in here. So click on the product title, click on digital product and give a price, like I am giving $1. Next, customize, give a description. Everything you can just do here, and after that you can share your link also. So you don't need to share, because Gumroad is a website like eBay, Amazon for digital product. Just make a post in here. If anyone knock you, anyone buy your product, give them the link only by mail or by WhatsApp. That's it. That's actually the game of the social media, of the Adsterra, of the digital product. So I am giving you the solution of digital product already. You just now need to do one thing, which is marketing and make your own landing page. If you don't do this, I think this method will not work for you. See, already 3 traffic already coming from traffic CG. It's working. So that's actually the main game. Send traffic to your website, attract buyer, sell them the product, get impression, get click from your landing page. That's it. People will definitely, who need this, they will definitely click to your WhatsApp number or come to your WhatsApp number. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you interested, please do subscribe. I am giving everything free for you, like the link, the code, the landing page, traffic source. I hope you will support me. Thank you guys. Bye.